Hello friends, welcome to Jyotishi.com. Today we'll talk about the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple. This temple is one of the most famous Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. The temple stands on the western bank of the holy river Ganga. It is considered as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas and said to be the holiest of Shiva temples. It is believed that devotee attains salvation if he or she is able to view the Shivling at the temple. Many famous saints such as Adi Shankaracharya, Ramakrishna Paramhansa, Swami Vivekananda, Tulsi Das have visited this temple. There is a legend which states that when the earth was created, the first ray of light fell on the place which is now called Kashi. According to some legends, Shiva stayed at Kashi for some time and is regarded as its guardian. The main deity is known by the name Sri Vishwanath and Vishweshwara, literally meaning the Lord of the universe. The temple has been referred in Hindu scriptures for a very long time as a central part of worship in the Shaiva philosophy. It has been destroyed and reconstructed a number of times in history. The main temple is quadrangular and is surrounded by shrines of other gods. There is a small well in the temple called the Gyan Vapi, the wisdom well. The Jyotirlinga was hidden in the well to protect it at the time of invasion. It is said that the main priest of the temple jumped into the well with the Shivling in order to protect the Jyotirlinga from invaders. There is also a tradition that one should give up at least one desire after visiting the Kashi temple. And the pilgrimage would also include a visit to the temple at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu in southern India. There is a popular belief that Shiva himself blows a mantra of salvation into the ears of people who die naturally at the Vishwanath temple. So hope you all liked our Kashi Vishwanath temple journey. Do visit this temple during your trip to Varanasi. Stay tuned for more such stories from Jyotishi.com.